What's up, fellas? So this is what we got so far. Put the rear shackles on, turn the front torsion bar down 4 turns, and this is how she's sitting. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna drop the rear shackles down the extra hole, see how much lower that brings us in the rear, and then we're gonna see if we can even out the front and make it level like it's sitting now, just a little bit lower. Stay tuned. Help you boys out when you're installing rear shackles on just your new truck. Quick reference, this is what we got for rear clearance, tire gap for the rear fender well. Not bad, right about 6.5. Up front, we dropped down lower than what it was. It's about 6 now, just a little bit under 6. I had it at 6.5 before. So once you get your bottom bolt out, then you're gonna drop your truck down. You're gonna want to bend that tab out. When you get that bottom bolt out, you're gonna want to bend that seam right behind that tab where your leaf's the top of this leaf spring, to give it room to go up so that that bolt will clear the top of your frame right there. I'll show you here in a second. So once you get your bottom bolt out, you can drop the truck down, and then once you get that tab bent, you can just slide your top bolt right out of there. So this is what I ended up with in the rear here. About 5 3/4 fender gap between the top of the tire, bottom of the fender for the rear. For the front, up here we got damn near the same. About 5 7/8, I would say. Close enough, right? She's gonna settle a little more. Earlier when I measured it was 5 3/4. Which was down a lot from initial after I dropped it from the jack. So that's another good little tip. You're gonna change the torsion bars in the front. After you lower them down a couple turns, go out for a little drive, and then come back before you do your gap measurement. Because what'll happen is you'll actually get some settle after you drive around a little bit. But she's looking good. I'm liking the gap. Appreciate you guys for watching. Till next time.